Hey there, what is up everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to install a SIM card and SD card into your Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. Alright, so first off, I'm going to show you how to insert and install them. And then also, I'm going to show you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos taken from now on are saved to the SD card rather than the internal memory of the phone. And then I'll also show you how to transfer old files from the memory of the phone to the new SD card so that you can free up space in your phone. Alright, so first off, what we're going to need to do is we're going to need a SIM ejector tool, something like this. And we're going to need to look on the left hand side here of the phone. It's going to have two small openings where we're going to insert the SIM ejector tool. Push it in, it should come out slightly. Okay, so this one right here is the SIM card tray. So we're going to go ahead and place the SIM card in here. Place the SIM in carefully like that and place it in. Okay, and then we're going to get the SIM ejector tool one more time, and it's going to have another small opening down here. We're going to lift this tray up. And this one has another SIM card slot because this is a dual SIM phone. So if you have another SIM card, you can place it in here. And the SD card is going to go in this slot right here. Just like that. So make sure it's in there properly, like that. And then once it is, we're going to go ahead and place it back in the phone gently. There we go. So let's go ahead and power the phone on, or if it's already on, then that's fine. If you have service on your SIM card, it should pick up the service and signal right away. And you should be able to make phone calls and send and receive text messages and receive your data as well. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to set up the SD card so that pictures and videos that are taken from now on save to it. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up the camera app. It's right here. As soon as you open up the camera app, you should get this message right here to change storage location. So this is just letting you know that the system wants to select the SD card to save pictures and videos from now on as the default storage. So here we're just going to hit OK. And there you go. It should be set up. If you don't get that message though, you can also go to settings up here. The settings in the camera. You would scroll down to storage location and then just make sure that SD card is right here. If not, you can click on it and select it. There we go. So now any pictures and videos that you take are going to automatically save to the SD card. And now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to transfer old files that are on the internal memory of the phone to the SD card. So for this, we're going to go to Files, My Files, or File Manager. And that's going to be in Samsung folder right here. My Files. So here in My Files, we're going to select internal storage since that's where we want to transfer from. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to transfer pictures and videos. So that's going to be in the DCIM folder. DCIM and camera. So here I only have 2 pictures, but you're probably going to have a lot more. So once we're here, what we're going to do is we're going to tap and hold on one of the pictures. And then once this comes up, we're going to go ahead and select all. Make sure all of the pictures and videos are selected. Okay, then we're going to go ahead and select the 3 dots. And we're going to select move. And then now we're going to select SD card. And I'm going to save it to the same folder in the SD card, DCIM. And let's create a new folder for these pictures. And we'll name it J5 Prime. Create. And we'll save it here, so I'll hit done. And now the pictures that were in the internal memory of the phone are in the SD card, DCIM J5 Prime folder. So let's go ahead and double check that. Let's go back to my files, internal storage, DCIM, camera. And as you can see, there are no files in here anymore. So also remember, keep in mind you could do this with any other type of these files that you want to transfer over to your SD card to save, to free up memory in the internal memory of your Galaxy J5 Prime. So there we go, guys. That was just a quick video on how to insert and install your SIM card and SD card on your Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. So go ahead and please give that video a like, and I will see you guys around in the next video. Peace.